Remove screws. Remove the air nozzle module. Use a knife to scrape off the glue on both sides of the brass lens nut. Clean with a cotton swab after scraping. Remove the brass lens nut. Loosen the brass lens nut by pressing the tip of a pair of pliers against the groove of the nut. Once loosened, the nut can be twisted with a special lens replacement tool. Remove the brass lens nut with tweezers. Remove the lens. Replace the lens with a new one. Put the lens into the mouth of the lens with a camera. Smooth the lens with a cotton swab. Attach the brass lens nut. Attach the air nozzle module. Attach the screws. Tighten the screws.